Hello, folks. Another Gamer Dude edition of the People's Lima. Eric Lima here, playing a little bit more Remote Control. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Another edition of the show for the third round. Let's see, and here we go. Welcome to Remote Control. Let's see our contestants. And here I am. We're playing against a guy and a girl here, okay? All right, I'm on control. Let's go to channel 4. Kitty TV. Where can you find wooden puppets, wooden jokes, and wooden people? All at the same time? Why on Kitty TV? Who delivers the mail to Pee-wee's Playhouse? Reba. I know that. I knew that. Reba. Yeah, brain must have swallowed it to pull off that answer. Oh, yeah. Alright, got 5 points. Let's see. Let's stick with Kitty TV, shall we? Here we go. On Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. In what special magical neighborhood will you find characters like King Friday, Daniel Tiger, and Prince Tuesday? Oh, come on! Neighborhood of Make-Believe. I knew that one. Come on. 15 points. Okay, Eric, you are in control. I'll close it out. Close it out, Kitty TV, for 15 points now. What does Mr. Rogers ask you to be every time he sings his theme song? His dentist, his neighbor, his lover. Neighbor, come on. You nuts. Maybe his lover will be having more of a scandal. Okay, Channel 4 is closed out. Alright, let's go to Channel 6. Let's go to Beaver TV. What was the name of Wally and Beaver's sister? I don't think they had a sister. They didn't have a sister. They didn't have no sister. 35 points. Okay, I want to get out of Beaver TV. Let's go to Channel 8. Black and White TV. Let's go back to the golden age of black and white television. Here we go. Come on now. Complete this phrase from the Twilight Zone. You're traveling through another dimension. Not only of sight and sound, but of what? Mind? Mind. Wow, we know when you die, you gotta donate your brain to science. I got 40 points, and I don't feel comfortable with that category, so I'm gonna choose Channel 7. The movie channel. Before they were edited and interrupted by commercials, some movies actually play in theaters. Wow. Let's go. Popeye's worst enemy and John Belushi's character in Animal House had the same name. What was it? Sweet Pea, Wimpy, or Bluto? Oh, I paused it. I meant to, press A to buzz in, and press B to choose your answer. I forgot about it. Wow, you should know your chili. I guess you don't really have a social life, huh? Yeah, it's the most haters out there, but that's okay, though. 45 points. Let's stick with the movie channel. Here we go. In The Wizard of Oz, Dorothy came from Kansas. What was her last name? Gail. 55 points. Let's close it out. The movie channel. There we go. 15 points. Sure, he's a barbarian, but Arnold Schwarzenegger still sounded like an Austrian. What sword-wielding character? Alright, 70 points I got. 70 points. Alright, Channel 9. Let's go to Channel 9. Gilligan's Island. Gilligan practices a musical instrument in which a neighboring tribe interprets as a call for war. What instrument did Gilligan play? Let's try the drums. Oh, I got it right! I didn't know that. 75 points. Alright, let's go to Channel 5. Still more MTV. Before his first hit, Fingertips 2, Stephen Morris was given a new name by Motown. What was it? I want to try Stevie Wonder. Oh! I didn't know that one either. That's pretty cool. 80 points. I'm dominating this game. Alright, let's go to Channel 3. Beauties and Assassins. Some teams could usually naturally go together. Milk and cookies, fish and chips, and of course, beauties and assassins. Listen carefully. She's the ex-angel living with Ryan O'Neal, and he's the religious leader almost killed by Muhammad Ali. Farrah Fawcett and Pope John Paul II, Jacqueline Smith and Jimmy Schwager. Man, I'm a Washington Globe. That fine answer. 85, nothing. Okay, let's go to channel 2. Boy, were they stupid! Last season I asked a bunch of questions to a bunch of blockheads and didn't know the answers. Let's see if you're any smarter. On Gilligan's Island, which all-American castaway was a farmer's daughter from Pointer's Corner, Kansas? Who's stupid now? I got 90 points. This is the freaking first round, and these two clowns didn't. Okay, let's take a boy. Let's take a stupid. Let's take a stupid here. Everybody knows that the Brady kids were Greg, Bobby, Marsha, Jan, Cindy, and Peter. But what are all 5 first names of the Partridge kids? Groucho, Harpo, Chico, Gumbo, and Zeppo. Chris, Danny, Keith, Laurie, and Tracy. Chris, Danny, Kevin. I knew that one. You, my friend, are indeed a super genius. 100 points and I'm in the first round. 100 points. That is unprecedented. I'm going to close it out. Seriously. Boy, were they stupid. How many points does the big bonus question work on a Newlywed Game? Come on. Anybody knows that one. I'm dominating this game. I'm dead serious. If this show was still on the air, I'd be acing it right now. Oh, 115 points. I'm dominating here. More reruns. On Get Smart, what actor starred as Agent 86? Wow, I guess you're not really dumb as you look. I'm dominating this game. I'm sorry. 120 points. It's just the first round. Oh, snack break time. I'm in the lead. 120 freaking points. 120 points. Send the other 2 contestants off the air. That's happened a couple of times on the show, I believe. One value is doubled now, and okay, let's go to channel 1. The Soaps channel. Oh boy. Hold back the tears to answer a question about daytime melodrama being described. Here we go. Felicia Jones left her heart in Frisco. He, in turn, left General Hospital. Still, his sack pines for greener pastures, and he may return. Name the actor who played Frisco. I'm going to dominate this game, whether you like it or not, too. That answer was so good. So I'm staying away from the Soaps channel, man. 130 points. Let's go for channel 3. MASH. Which MASH character almost lost his hearing during the final 2.5-hour episode? Radar. Finally got one wrong. Brenda. Brenda got it wrong. Mike. Oh, it's the priest. 10 points for Mike. Mike's on the board. Is he going to stick with the channel? Alright. Private eyes are watching you. They peek through windows. They hide in closets. They're not weirdos. They're private investigators. Or it's private dicks, but because of that joke, you know what I mean. On Matt Houston, who's the character that's always inviting Matt to sample her Italian cookie? Nope, not Mama Tortelli. Not that one. Mama Novelli. Okay, Mama Novelli. I never watched Matt Houston. Alright. 6. Hogan's Heroes. On Hogan's Heroes, of the following, what wasn't the name of a secretary who worked for Clink? Hilda? No, it wasn't Hilda. Olga. Ah, Olga was on Batman. Brenda is getting screwed here. Sticking with Hogan's Heroes. Let's see if I can get this one. What was the number of the Stalag Hogan's Hero? I answered this question before, I think. Whoa. Okay. Channel 8. The Gourmet Channel. Doctors report that Americans are more health conscious. Well, we want to contribute to this trend, so let's take a educational trip to the Gourmet Channel. Tigers tend to be into the red meat. Really? Answer the question again. Tony the Tiger. Alrighty. I have 160 points. Brenda is getting screwed because she's got no score. I like food, we'll stick with the Gourmet Channel. What breakfast cereal does Toucan Sam hawk on TV? Fruit Loops. Follow my nose. I am dumb. I am dominating this freaking game. 180 points. Do I want to close it out? Yes, I do. For 30 points now. According to a Revolutionary War song, what cream filled went to town riding on a pony? You gotta be freaking kidding me. You gotta be freaking kidding me! Yodels and Twinkies? Alright, 210 points. I'm in the lead. The Cosby Show. On Cosby named the college that Cliff Clare and Russell Huxtable graduated. Fabulous Hillman, I think, if I'm not mistaken. $220 points. Alright. No offense, but I'm going to Channel 9. Another prime time. Gilda Radner made fun of her lisp, but Baba didn't care. Baba Wawa! Baba Wawa! Baba Walters. Yeah, I know it's much local contestants are usually the weirdest looking. Yeah, I'm a weird looking dude. I got glasses. I'm cool. Let's go to Channel 4. The Wrestling Channel. My kind of channel. Yeah. Is it sport? Is it a sham? Who really cares? My kind of channel. Here we go. What wrestler regularly has the phrase "Don't be cruel" stitched across his tights? Hulk Hogan, the Honky Tonk Man, or Bobby the Brain? Honky Tonk Man, because he's an Elvis impersonator. 240 points. Sticking it. Wrestling Channel again. It's up for 20 points. When you combine a couple of guys named Axe and Smash, you get one of the WWF's nastiest tag teams. What's their name? Oh, Demolition. And then later it was Crush, baby. I want to close out the Wrestling Channel. Let's close it out. I'm pretty good at this. Who's the wrestler that's appeared in the last two Schwarzenegger films? Andre the Giant, Jesse the Body Ventura, or George the Animal Steel? Ventura, come on. Predator, and I forget the other one. Sorry. Oh, good answer. No, I watch a lot of wrestling. I'm a wrestling fan. 290. I want to score 300 points before Brenda goes off the air. Dr. Blister. It's the evil Dr. Blister, the world's most foremost expert on celebrity rumors. Almost. Humphrey Bogart is rumored to be the model for the baby on the label of what brand of baby food? Gerber's. I got 300 points. 300 points. I want to stick with Dr. Blister and see what he's got. Which Michael Jackson hit played backward is rumored to reveal that he and his sister Latoya are the same person. Let's try man. Nope, that was Man in the Mirror. It's Beat It? Oh boy. Well, Mike's got 50. I'm way in the lead. Let's see if Mike's in control. Go back to 1. Uh-oh, bye, Brenda. You got nothing. You got nothing. Brenda, hit the road. You have to hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What'd you say? Bye-bye. And let's place him with Ken's stepfather or something like that. Okay, good riddance. Okay, it's time for our lightning round. Let's speak real fast. I took the titles of TV shows, replace one word with an unusual occupation. Alright. Murder, Genie, Sheriff, Batman, Hutch, Chachi. I Dream of... Oh, crap. Uh-oh. 350. There's 100 points, but I don't care. Bye, Mike. I'm dominant again. I was hoping to score more points. Yeah, baby. I'm the champ once again. I am the champ. I am the remote three-time remote control champion. That's right. I'm the cool dude in the glasses. Yeah. Have a great day, guys. I'm outie. Ha ha. Yeah.